Hey everybody, I was sent this 4-pack of cleaning cloths for free so I could check them out and give you my opinion about them. So first, I just want to let you know again, this one that I got sent, it comes in a 4-pack. So you get 4 of these cloths that all come individually wrapped. They're pre-moistened, and then inside of this zipped bag here. And the reason that they're all individually sealed is because, again, they come pre-moistened, and it's because when these cloths, when they dry out, they get really hard. So after you use them, you let them dry out, they'll kind of hold whatever shape that you let them sit in. It's not a problem. It's just simply, run them under water for 20 or 30 seconds, and then they're back to how they should be. So just be aware of that when they show up in the mail. If for whatever reason, maybe you get a hole in the plastic or something and the cloths themselves are hard, they're not pliable like a cloth, not a problem, perfectly fine. Just wet it and then it's back to how it should be and ready to use. What I like about these, obviously, is that they're reusable. So, you use them, they rinse out really easy, and it just will save a ton of money in paper towel and things like that. I know I use a lot of paper towel at my house, and now I definitely will be using these instead, but they also tend, in my opinion, they tend to hold a lot more dust than some of the other cloths and stuff. So, it's just really easy. You wipe down, and I have this register vent here that I was cleaning, so I don't know how much you'll be able to see the dust and stuff, but just really easy wipe down, and they pull a lot of dust and dirt out of the louvers themselves. I showed the back side too, kind of just wiping the surface on there. So you may not be able to see in the camera very well, but I think when I actually wipe it and take it off and show you now, you can see how much little hairs and dust was actually caught in those louvers, which is crazy. I know I've wiped it with other stuff and it doesn't seem to come out as easy. So I love that about these. And then the final thing is just they're super easy to walk over to the sink. You see, I shake it, it's not dropping dirt in the dust. It holds onto it really well. So, wipe whatever you need to wipe, go over to the sink, and then you just rinse it, and it all just washes right down your drain. And then they're back clean again. You set it aside and you just let it sit and wait for when you're ready to use it again. You pick it up again, wet the cloth, and it's ready to go for you. I think it's a really cool product, and I really do like them.